Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. January 6th, 2020. Allahu Akbar. Already 2020. The first snowstorm of the year. Inshallah. We have to clean all this snow to bring the car out. It was snowstorm last night. It's in Sydney, Nova Scotia. So we have to do all the hard work. No, it's not possible. Ask him not to go. I'm going to open the car. He can stay inside because he gonna ask him to run. It's too cold. It's gonna be hard to hold the phone even. People they have already cleaned. It's easy for them because they don't have the car. But for us, even I cannot buy the snow blower. It doesn't help me because only little bit here. This I won't be able to put anywhere. My one son is crying badly because he's kind of naughty. He didn't listen. He didn't put the gloves on. Oldest son, they're gonna damage more than helping, but no choice. Abdul Rahman is crying badly because it's his fault. You wanna wear the gloves? What you wanna do? কি করবেন আপনি? Gloves পরবেন? He's crying. He's crying. It's too cold. It's -20 now. We just had the storm. It's really hard. It's not easy during the winter to live in this country. When you rent it out, then different history. But if you own the house, you have to do everything by yourself. And especially for us, the situation even worse because the car is big, so we cannot take the car in the inner driveway. So no benefit to call even someone to clean the snow because we have to do very slowly with that scoop. Life is hard. Allah always balance. Some people they have extreme hot weather, some people they have extreme cold weather, but it's really bad. It's really bad. Abdulaziz, what you are doing not gonna be helpful. No. Clean some from just behind the car. That's gonna be helpful, please.
All right. Ruka, give me the shovel.
Okay. Their daughter has a boyfriend who push through here because they didn't have the car. They were able to take in a smaller car, so they push here, so it was easier for them. And this lady, her husband died and the son came. They have wider driveway. It's easier for them, but our driveway is narrower. It's better to be poor in this country. Then you get more money from the government. You don't need to do the job. You get all kind of support. Yeah, he's cleaning that way. I'm not sure. Oh, I think It's the finger is getting frozen. It will be hard even with the gloves on. The highway will be even harder. I won't be able to go to the office today. It's not possible because the roads, no benefit to take the risk. Because if I die, alhamdulillah with iman, but the problem, you're gonna get handicapped and nobody to take care. Allah didn't give me that opportunity to be taken care by someone. Allah always balance. So we have to do all this hard work to remove, because our car is bigger, so I have to start removing from here, from here, all the way up to the tails first. Then I have to go in slowly, and we have to clear all this walkway also. Life is not easy, my friend. Don't think those who live in Canada, they have a good life. No. Allah always balance. This earth is like hell to those who have iman, and those who don't have the iman, for them this is the heaven. Allah always balance.
Now let's do it.
Assalamu alaikum. Fi amanillah.